The following video will demonstrate cleaning guidelines recommended by Flow Sciences for a standard ETA ventilated balance enclosure. This demonstration is designed to assist the end user in developing and executing site-specific standard operating procedures during cleaning and maintenance of Flow Sciences enclosures. These guidelines and video production are not intended to be all-encompassing or complete in and of themselves. Please consult your site safety personnel or industrial hygienist for specific operating procedures around your Flow Sciences enclosure. This demonstration will use a standard ETA enclosure with a double Safeway chute located on the left side of the unit. Your enclosure may have customized features or another disposal bag option. Please again consult your site safety personnel or industrial hygienist for specific guidelines around your unit, particularly if your ETA enclosure will be containing any other equipment. Don your PPE to prepare to clean your ETA enclosure. Flow Sciences recommends at a minimum double nitrile gloves and a sleeve protector in addition to your safety glasses. Please consult your site safety personnel or industrial hygienist for additional PPE requirements. This could include various glove styles or respiratory protection. You will select your cleaning material based on the type of enclosure material that you have purchased. Please refer to Flow Sciences manual for your specific enclosure to know the proper cleaning chemical that is appropriate for your material of construction. Flow Sciences typically recommends using 70% IPA. If you are working with biologics or specific drug materials that need specific deactivation, please ensure you consult your site safety personnel. Utilizing a quarter-fold wipe or a pre-moistened wipe, you will wipe the exterior of your enclosure in overlapping strokes. If contamination is seen on the wipe, replace or use a clean side. At the most, do not use a wipe more than 4 wipes. Once your wipe is contaminated or has been used 4 times, please dispose. Repeat exterior cleaning for both doors if you have more than one, and exterior sidewalls. Load your unit with all cleaning supplies. Utilizing a pre-moistened wipe or a quarter-fold towel or any other cleaning material designated by your safety personnel, begin your cleaning process. You will work from the clean to dirty side and from front to back. Use overlapping strokes. Again, using the quarter fold no more than 4 times, or using a clean side each time, or if contamination is seen, replacing your wipe. You may also use pre-moistened wipe as designated by your safety personnel. As each wipe is contaminated, discard in your disposal bin. Ensure you keep your hands and arms in the enclosure at all times during the cleaning process to ensure no contamination reaches personnel or the exterior of the unit. Utilizing overlapping strokes, you will move from front to back following the airflow of the unit. You will continue in overlapping strokes, utilizing a clean wipe as necessary until the entire base of the unit is cleaned. Once the base is clean, you will remove the top plenum by lifting up, slightly tilting forward, and then tilting towards the back of the unit to ensure any debris may fall towards the rear. You'll then remove the rear plenum and lay on top of your top plenum. Retrieve your cleaning tool or wipe to clean the rear wall of the enclosure. Most units will require an extender tool to accomplish this task to ensure all corners and enclosure surfaces are reached. In overlapping strokes from working top to bottom, wipe the rear wall. Once 4 wipes have been completed, or a designated amount as determined by your safety personnel or industrial hygienist, please replace the wipe. Pre-moistened wipes can be utilized if your tool has those accessible. Repeat this process for the entire back wall of the unit, utilizing downward overlapping strokes, again until contamination is seen, the wipe has been utilized 4 times, or additional procedures have been identified by your site safety personnel. Once the rear wall is clean, you will retrieve a new wipe and you will wipe the top of your unit. Again, you will be utilizing overlapping strokes. The extender tool can be used for all places that are hard to reach to ensure all crevices are cleaned on the top of the unit. Once contamination is noticed or 4 passes have been made, the wipe should be replaced. For areas of the top that can be reached without an extender pull, you can utilize a quarter-fold wipe or a pre-moistened wipe. Ensure that you wipe the interior of the plenum slot. Now that both the rear wall and the top of the unit are clean, you will clean the back of the rear plenum. You'll be moving in front to back overlapping strokes, utilizing a pre-moistened wipe or a quarter-fold wipe sprayed with your cleaning material. You will repeat this process, moving front to back in overlapping strokes, working from your clean side of the unit towards your disposal container. Again, this unit is using a double safe waste chute. Your unit may have other disposal options, which may also include an interior disposal bag. Please work from clean to dirty, placing all contaminated wipes in your waste disposal bag or container. Once the rear plenum is clean on the back, you will replace into the slots at the base of the ETA unit, lift and lock into place in your top slots. Once the rear plenum is in place, you will then clean the back of your top plenum. Again, moving in overlapping strokes from front to back of the unit, from the clean to the dirty side, working towards your waste disposal container or your waste chute. Again, the quarter-fold wipe can be used for 4 passes until contamination is seen or as designated by your safety personnel or site industrial hygienists. Repeat this process along the entire back part of the top plenum until the entire surface is free from contamination. Once the back of the top plenum is clean, you can lift that plenum up, retrieve a clean wipe or pre-moistened wipe, and begin wiping from top to bottom in overlapping strokes. Again, working from clean side of the unit to the dirty side of the unit. Once the wipe has been utilized 4 times or contamination is seen, or the designated amount of times by your safety personnel or industrial hygienist has been accomplished, you will replace the wipe and repeat the process until the entire plenum is clean. Replace the top plenum by lifting at an angle towards the back of the unit, placing into the plenum slot and dropping into place. Retrieve your cleaning tool to clean the back plenum front panel. Again, you're wiping in overlapping strokes from the clean side of the unit towards your disposal chute. In this case, that would be from right to left. This will be done in overlapping strokes, utilizing the wipe 4 times until contamination is seen or as designated by your safety personnel or site industrial hygienist. Replace your cover on your cleaning tool as necessary, re-moisten, and repeat the process, cleaning the back plenum until the entire plenum has been cleaned. Again, pre-moistened wipes can be utilized, and your cleaning solution will be determined by your material of construction, your glove material, and your site safety personnel and industrial hygienists. Once the rear plenum is clean, you will then be cleaning the sidewalls of the unit. You will clean both sidewalls, move it using overlapping strokes. You would clean the sidewall farthest from your waste disposal container or bag first, and then moving to the sidewall where your waste disposal container or bag may be located. Again, you can use your wipe 4 times. Quarter fold can be turned as necessary, or you would switch your rag or your pre-moistened wipe if contamination is seen or as designated by your site safety personnel or your certified industrial hygienists. If the rear of your base has been hard to reach, now that the sidewalls, top plenum, and back plenum are clean, you would want to reuse your extender tool to ensure you've gotten the entire back wall on the base wiped down. And then you will repeat cleaning the base using overlapping strokes from front to back until the entire base has been cleaned. Again, we're working from our clean side to our dirty side, working toward our waste disposal bag or our waste chute. We will then wipe the LED light if your unit was ordered with an LED light. You will then use your pre-moistened wipe or your moistened quarter fold to wipe the interior doors. You may have multiple doors depending on the width of your unit. Once the unit is fully cleaned, you will remove your PPE, ensuring that you're rolling your sleeve protectors down into your outer glove, rolling your outer glove around your sleeve protector, and removing. This will then be placed in your waste container bag, disposal chute, or disposal container. You will repeat this process for both arms. Finally, you remove your interior glove, rolling one within the other and placing in your disposal bag.